Doesn't matter if it's not on time. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Linton Dlovu, and I am joined by Joy Mtetwa, and we are from South Africa. We present to you Ilimu, which means educate in Swahili. Thank you, Ted Hack, for this opportunity. So, the problem that we decided to focus on has been access to quality education. This problem is not only one experienced in South Africa, but this is problem is experienced throughout the whole world in countries like the Philippines, in countries like South Africa, Ethiopia, Uganda. This is a big problem to access of quality education. Where we cannot do that, even UNICEF is calling on governments to reach every child and keep them in school and assess learning levels regularly to keep the quality of education up, ladies and gentlemen. This problem is also providing to children dropping out of schools. So in South Africa alone, we have 9% of students under the age of 17 dropping out of schools, and primarily because the ratio from learner to teacher, it's one teacher for 37 students. That one teacher can never be able to satisfy all 37 students and equip them adequately as they need to be. Is a peer-to-peer tutoring system that provides, that becomes as an extra resource to connect children throughout the world. So a child from England can be able to tutor a child from South Africa that is not understanding at a certain maths program, and we enable this through a decentralized blockchain system. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I will demo the system. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how our Ilimu application would work. You would either register as a tutor or a learner and log in. So when you log in, ladies and gentlemen, we have enabled you to continue with social media, either Google, Facebook, or Apple, or your Apple ID, to make this easier and accessible for everyone in the world. We plan on making this application global, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you would be able to log in. Sign up as a tutor or sign up as a learner. This is pretty much the same process. When you sign up as a learner, this is the dashboard that you'll be greeted with, where it will show your course progress, how far you've come, and the average of your course so far based on the test that you've been taking, to for us to see whether you are on track with the set goal or set percentage that you want to achieve using our app, right? So this is how it would work. For demo processes, we only have four categories, right? So, but we'll have more subjects that you would be able to choose from. So we have math, science, English, and programming. When a learner chooses, for example, programming, they'll be given different series of different topics within programming to help that we can offer help in. So we have data structures as an example where you'll be able to set your target. So based on how much they're willing to achieve on data structures, they will set it. So this learner wants to achieve 72%. And they can either upload a transcript if they're already doing programming in their school and show us the level of their education. Then our AI will then develop a series of questions that are user specific for this person, to for us to understand what kind of help do they need from the system. So they'll give them a series of questions like what are the operations that can be performed on a stack. These are data structure questions. After you submit your answers, you're going to be greeted by this module where it shows you that you need 16 hours of help in data structures, and show you your tutor that's going to be helping you. In this case, it is Joy Mteto, who's a third year computer science student at Oxford. Will then provide you with study material that you do not have to wait for Joy to help you when she's available, but you can study and get your hours in. Ladies and gentlemen, we also gonna enable our learners to have in-app chatting where they can be able to interact with their tutor um, in the application, and not only that, but be able to call their tutor, to have a live chat feature with their tutor. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will try and demo how that would work, the calling. So the calling is backed by Radius, which is one of our sponsors right here. So we'll be able to call using their API feature of a video call. Um, okay, it's the code gods are not on my side, ladies and gentlemen. It's supposed to show two screens, me as the student and another screen. But ladies and gentlemen, not to waste of time, I will continue with my demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, this problem is a 59 Rand billion problem, which is roughly around $3.5 billion problem. And this is how much South Africa spends on its education. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a problem that's not only faced by South Africa, and I believe platforms like ours will not overnight end the problem, but will contribute to a more sustainable country and a more sustainable world where we can all have quality education. Ladies and gentlemen, how do we plan to stay afloat as a platform? We plan to stay afloat by providing AdSense revenue, by having AdSense revenue. Providing ads is not really as a frowned upon system, but we have companies like Google that allow this in a non-techy way. So we'll be providing ads on our system, also getting sponsorship from education programs. There's a lot of programs out there that want to help out education, like UNICEF being one of them, and we plan on getting sponsorship and working and collaborating with this project, and also providing an Ilimu token. Since our system is decentralized and runs on a blockchain, we want to provide a token that people throughout the world, communities, can support the level can support us giving back to education through purchasing of the token. And and the partners that we want to work with is Valencia College, that will provide us with programs that will help out people, help out learners in a nutshell on this platform. Radius is being our in-video communication platform, and APC and APLC, they will be providing us with the tools to enable that our platform doesn't have malicious ways. So they are an AI company that will help us monitor using AI that our platform is used for the right purposes, or is used for the things that it needs to be used for. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for hearing us out. And we are Ilimu.